Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving right into how to use Airtable for your 2025 social media strategy planning. Let's kick things off with step 1, setting up your Airtable base. Log into your Airtable account and create a new base. Name it Social Media Strategy 2025. This is where you'll keep all your strategy planning. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place for all your social media planning needs. Moving on. Now that we've done that, let's add tables for each of your social media platforms. Click on the plus add button and start naming them. This helps us because it allows us to segregate our strategies according to the platform. With that done, let's jump to step 3, creating fields. These are the categories of information you want to track for each post. Consider fields like content, status, date, and platform. This is crucial because it helps us keep track of what, when, and where we're posting. Next up, populate your tables. This is where the magic happens. Fill in the fields with your planned posts. Remember to update it regularly. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're always on top of our social media game. Finally, let's talk about Airtable's calendar view. This is an awesome feature that lets you visualize your posting schedule. To enable it, just click on the calendar icon on the top right. This helps us because it gives us a bird's eye view of our posting schedule. And there you have it. That's how you can use Airtable to plan your social media strategy for 2025. Remember, the key is to stay organized and keep everything updated. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.